quick lunch with me. Today I'm going to be making a Parmesan cheese angel hair pasta, and then we're going to whip together some quick jumbo fried shrimp. This recipe is super simple. This is what I like to have like for lunch. When we want something that's going to fill us up, something quick, doesn't cost anything, this is what we always go for. You're going to love this recipe. For sure you are. Guess what? We don't have to bread no shrimp today. We ain't breading the shrimp today because it's already breaded. We're just going to throw this into some oil. I hope y'all are having a good day today. And if you're not, hopefully I can brighten up your day with this here recipe. You're going to need some chicken bouillon powder. We'll be using it for our noodles. You're also going to need some Parmesan, some milk, and some water for our pastaroni is what they call it. I absolutely love this one. There's like 3 other flavors, but when I get these, I always get the kind that says Parmesan cheese. I add the extra Parmesan cheese. It doesn't call for bouillon powder, but I put it in there because it's spectacular. Okay, and we're gonna fry up some shrimp. I got some salt and pepper here. Make sure your hands are clean. Make a quick snack with it. So the first thing we're gonna do, let's go ahead and put the correct measurement into our pan here for our angel hair pasta that I absolutely love. Y'all, it's so good. When you make this pasta, for any reason, if yours thickens up or you don't eat it all right now, just put you a little bit more milk or a little bit more water. It kind of rejuvenates it and thins it back out. So don't worry if yours thickens up. And so I put my 1 1/3 of a cup of water in, and now I'm gonna put 2/3 of a cup of the milk in. I'm gonna put a 1/2 stick of butter. And we want to cook these together until the butter gets nice and melty. And once that happens, we'll add all the ingredients that's within this box here. Let me go ahead and grab my butter. And just being honest, if you want to use less butter than a 1/2 stick, you can, but it ain't gonna taste like mine. Oh yeah, get that butter in there. I know, I just dripped water all down the front of my shirt, but it's okay. It's not the end of the world. It'll dry. So now my milk, my water, and my butter has begun to come up to a slight boil. I'm going to go ahead and take this time to put the noodles in. And I'm going to cook the noodles for about 3 minutes. And after those 3 minutes, and it's angel hair pasta, so it's thin. One thing you don't want to do is overcook it because it will completely turn into mush. But if you learn how to cook it right, oh, it's spectacular. Okay, so we're just gonna let that wilt down. In about 3 minutes, we'll come back and put this lovely packet in there that has Parmesan cheese. It's like a powdery seasoning. We're gonna put bouillon powder, but this Parmesan, it doesn't go in until the last minute when we're getting ready to turn this off. This is a quick lunch you are gonna absolutely love. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead, put that beautiful seasoning right on. I'll give it a nice stir, but really you don't have to stir it right now, okay? Just a little quick stir, and I want to check in on this oil over here. If it's hot enough to accept the shrimp, I'm gonna go ahead, put that shrimp in. Oh yeah, we got a good sizzle. Let's get the shrimp right in. I want it to be golden brown, crispy. Yum. Tell me, what's the weather like where you all are at? Today is a magnificent day. It's like 76 degrees out. A little bit of wind. It's just lovely. Oh my goodness. First thing this morning, we went outside, had coffee, maybe sat out there for about a good 2 hours just talking about what we're doing, you know, what we're getting ready to do, different plans, and just really life. I love doing that first thing in the morning, going outside, sitting out there in my pajamas. In pajamas, my house shoes, maybe my house coat with that hot cup of coffee is just perfect. Even if it's super hot out, I still want that hot coffee. Now my husband, on the other hand, he can go for an iced coffee if it's real hot, you know. But the dogs are usually out there with us, and we're just enjoying, you know, the weather. My goodness, I'm loving it. I'm hoping that there will be no more cold days for a while now. Oh, I'm hoping. Go ahead. We're going to put some bouillon powder in here if you choose. You know, some of you won't want to, but if you like flavor, you got some good taste buds, you're going to put some in there because it makes it taste spectacular. So now, take a look at this. These noodles are looking absolutely spectacular. They're coated in this lovely, creamy Parmesan sauce. I'm going to go ahead and turn that one off, and then we'll take a peek in here at the shrimp. That's enough Parmesan. Keep in mind, the Parmesan has some salt in it, so you never want to use too much. Oh, look at that. Lunch is almost served. Look at this shrimp. Oh my goodness. Are you a shrimp lover like I am? Let me know. I want to hear from everybody. I do understand there's a lot of people that can't eat seafood, but if you can, the question is, do you love shrimp like that? There you have it. A perfect lunch fit for two. You're going to absolutely love. Doesn't take you any time to make it. Guess what I'm going to do? We're going to share this. Me and my husband both are going to share this, and I'm going to pile the fried shrimp right on top. I was going to put it on a separate plate, and my husband said pile it right on the side, so we're going to do just that. Oh, who's excited? I know you are. We got to put us some parsley flakes. When I tell you this is good. One of my favorite meals, but how easy, right? How easy. Make you some. I know. If you enjoyed this video, come on in. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Yeah. If you ain't subscribed, what you waiting on? Tell your family and friends. Tell the world what Gina's doing every single day in this kitchen. And Father, on today, we thank you for this meal. Your hedge of protection and your mighty love. Your mercy, your time, your love and understanding. Thank you for everything you've done. Thank you for the things that you will do. And who wants to taste it? You want to taste it. It's hot though. So just kind of bear with me a little bit. Going right in for those creamy, luscious noodles that have a Parmesan taste. And the fried shrimp. How about we pile the noodles? Oh yeah, I'm gonna show you how to eat it. Right onto the shrimp. So good, y'all. I'm not gonna sit here and eat this whole bowl. I'm gonna go outside with him. This right here. Oh. Make it some.